serious, Tiberius.
Between the Ducks and Porcupine Hills, where the north wind bites and the air stands still, Swan River winds like a silver vein through black dirt fields and autumn grain. The Cree once paddled where the willows bend, the traders came, that's where it all began. A valley born from fire and frost, built on faith, on gain and loss.
Oh, Swan River, I hear you crying through the wind, where the dreams are dying. You were built on grit, you were born from fighting. Oh, Swan River, I hear you crying.
Log trucks rolled and sawdust flew, the mills cut deep, paychecks too. Men came home with tired eyes, but proud hearts under prairie skies. Farmers sowed in faith each spring, watched the gold rise up and the blackbirds sing. The town was small, but the love was wide, and the folks here stood with northern pride.
But time moves fast and dreams grow thin, when the young move out and don't come back again. Oh, Swan River, I hear you crying through empty streets and distant sirens. You were built on hope, now you're just surviving. Oh, Swan River, I hear you crying.
Now Main Street's locked behind iron bars, sharp front scarred like old steel guitars.
Linda locks her doors before sundown, says she don't feel safe in her own hometown.
A firebomb lit the morning sky, burned the voice of the town that used to testify.
And her mother weeps for her daughter gone, another young man won't see the dawn.
Said new cops would turn the tide, but there's holes too deep and hearts too tired. The mayor talks of brighter days, but the light feels lost in the valley haze. 100 homeless in the cold,
sleeping where the street lights glow.
Still we gather, still we pray,
still we find our strength some way. Oh, Swan River, I hear you crying from the hills where your hope is hiding. You were born in faith, you were raised in trying. Oh, Swan River, I hear you crying.
But the land remembers what we forget. The swans might come home to the lake yet.
I've seen kids laugh on a July night, chasing fireflies in the radio light.
There's still kindness in the corner store, still songs that echo through the floor.
Maybe pain's just how we learn to stand, with open hearts and broken hands. Oh, Swan River, I hear you crying, but your heart's still strong and defiant. You were built on love that ain't dying. Oh, Swan River, still crying. Swan River, still crying.
Thank you for watching. Follow for more.